step into the Chrysler 2015 300 Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Harman radio manufacturer, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, media hub, SD, USB, O, radio data system and radio, Uconnect 8.4. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.